Go, Dickie. What? No, we... Go, Dickie. No. Tough.
These guys love it.
Use the snow.
It's a little deep, but she found a spot.
Dickie's all... It's your fault. It's all
Where can I go? The snow is bigger than me. The wall looks good, huh? I lost the other two. They're already caught in the blizzard. Where'd they go?
It's snowing.
Trinity, Kayla.
Num num num.
It's a blizzard.
No, it's not.
Dude, I drove home and you can only see about a block to 2 blocks in front of you. I knew they'd love it. There she goes. These guys love the snow. He likes to eat it.
Satellite maps and it's almost over, but
tastes good, Tenny?
Getting like 10 inches more.
Here she comes. Hi, Trent.
You're all done?
It's up to your bellies, huh? Well, it's up to their belly, so that must mean it's over his head. Hello, Kay. You like the snow, huh? Hi, boys. Everybody gonna get ready? It's cold out here. Get ready. You're all just gonna eat the snow? If this picture is a little shaky, it's because my hands are frozen. Tenny, save some snow for later. Did you get ready? All you're doing is eating snow. Tenny, go get ready. Go get ready, boy. What's up, Bray? That's my snow dog. Look at you, Brayden. Go get her, Bray. Go get her. Get her, Brayden. Get her, Brayden.